from here, it's like, yeah, what lace? That lace. Hey you guys, it's Shanita, aka CC McFly, aka Shanita's Way, here to show y'all a hair tutorial. I'm going to show y'all how I melted this lace. Did I really melt the lace? Did I struggle melt the lace? Like, what is it? This is the final look though, and if you guys want to see how I put on this melted lace series, what lace Solana wig, then keep watching. All right, so I've never melted a wig, okay? I've never melted a wig. I've swung and I missed melting a wig. So I'm gonna try it for y'all today. And I just wanna say that I'm not a professional.
I really just be vibing, you feel me?
No, y'all know that, I'm not a professional. This is for the girls who wanna put their big toe in wearing a wig, but you can't quite really grasp the work that goes into putting on a wig like all the time. I'm a natural girl. I wear my hair in braids, twists, all that good stuff, you know, afro, whatever. Sometimes I just want to break and I'm not gonna put heat on my hair, so what do? I want to wear a wig. What I did do is I purchased a wig from Cloud9, Swiss Lace, Solana, and they call it What Lace Series. Girl, that's what I'm talking about. What lace? Now, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I put the thing on and I kind of trimmed the lace up a little bit because I was excited. I saw the pack and seeing the tagline, what lace? Girl, what lace? Let me see what lace. And it's lace. It's not the same color as my skin. It's not. It's that beige. I'm not beige. I'm extremely brown. All right, now y'all see what I was saying? I was clipping on it and was cutting on it and couldn't wait, and then left some on because I was like, okay girl, I'm gonna leave some because I don't know quite where it's going with it. So I'm gonna use this as a point of reference. It's just a synthetic wig, but the girls have evolved. I'm like, okay, this is cute. It looks nice. From here, it's like, yeah, what lace? That lace. We gonna attempt to melt this lace. So, they told me to go get some of this. They told y'all to go get some Got to Be Glue in this can, screaming, whole hairspray. Okay, girl. Let me line this up with my ears and where it should be. See, I feel like, so something ain't right. Let's see where my ear at right here. Y'all, I'm not sure.
Okay, y'all, so after I finally got Solana on my hair right, I put out the Got to Be Glue free spray in my blow dryer and got busy.
Like, this is the part that's bothering me. I don't like it.
Look at my face. That is the face of almost defeated, okay? I struggled putting that wig on my head, y'all. Why was it so hard for me and easier for the girls?
I really don't like it. I can get real bratty real quick. I'm gonna cut that because that's bothering me. Let's put this glue on here. Let me tell y'all something. Your girl ain't, I feel like I don't got enough clips. And let me tell y'all something about my raggedy ass blow dryer. Girl, she only got one setting, hot. The girls made this thing so easy. Baby, I gotta close my eyes because I don't want none of this in my eyes. I I'm just spraying it all around. Don't know what direction I'm spraying in. This is the part that make me be like, you know what, girl, just do a crochet. Just do a crochet. Cause all it is, look, and it still ain't down. And now my wig all sticky right here, and I don't want it to be. It's all crusty because I don't know what I'm doing. So like I said, girl, this is for you. This is for us.
This song is for him.
That's where I feel like I'm missing out at, right here. Cause I ain't got my rat tail. See, that's the part, that part. I'm messing up cause I ain't have my rat tail. Why would I be in here trying to glue this wig on when I ain't got my rat tail on?
Girl, tuck that stocking cap in.
I'm gonna tell y'all now, I'm already tired. Like, I'm ready to let it go. I'm this close to just being like, girl, because this was bothering me. When I sit here and I watch, 10, 15, YouTube videos, the girls is all professional, and be really laying that lace in, be really like laying it on their head, and I'm like, girl, I'm over here struggling. My armpits is hot right now. Y'all, honestly, I don't know if I'm almost there or not. My hands are sticky. The wig is not on my head all the way. And, yeah. This not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do it again. I don't know I'm about this life. Cause baby, this little bit of my edges, I thought she was supposed to be covered up. Put this seasoning on your milk. Okay, girl. So let's just get this last little. So she still ain't down. Honestly, like, this ain't. I'd rather cornrow my hair to the back, do some feet and cornrows on myself than do this. But maybe I'm just impatient because it's my first time, and I'm like, it's just so sticky and tacky. And look, that still ain't down. I ain't doing this no more. Y'all can have it. Y'all got it.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Okay, now I can almost say wood lace, almost, cause girl, this is more work than I was willing to put in. I got somewhere to be. This is way more work than I thought I was gonna be doing.
All right, so clearly I've put too much of that Gotta Be Freeze Hold spray on my skin. Now, okay, to be clear, it did not damage my skin. It came right off. It's like water soluble or something. But girl, when I was trying to cut that lace off, baby, let me tell you something. It was there to stay.
It's stuck on my skin, y'all. She just laying down. I'm not even gonna mess with that, cause that's on my skin. Like, that's stuck on my skin. So I'm gonna leave her alone. All right, y'all. This this is as good as I'm gonna lay this place down. But look right here, that is seamless right there, like just right here though, and a little bit right there. Hold on, let me just. Can y'all imagine if I had to do this every day?
Oh my God.
I would make it. I would be late all the time. Late. Okay, so this is. Look, this still ain't my life. Y'all, I just really want this part to lay down. But it's so crusty now. Like, it's extremely crusty. We just gonna put a little more on it. We just put a little more to try to lay this down. So let's just sweep this bit. And we're gonna go for it one more time. Just spray it, Shanita. Spray it. It's crusty. It's crusty. All right. But the wig is on. I'm gonna clean it up with some little rub and alcohol. Whew. But girl, the wig is on. So do we need baby hairs? How many baby hairs do we want to make with this wig? Let's look at it. Let's look at it and see what she looks like. All right. Now this is with a lay, right? We got her laying. Okay. You don't get her that cute or whatever. Cause look at this crusty. Ugh. We gonna get that together though. Watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and lay this down, girl. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is make some baby hairs, because you know that's what make it look cute or whatever. Let's just get this one popping and rocking. Put a little gel on it too. Stop playing. Okay, that's how cute. I'm gonna just call them lay the edges, because I don't got no baby hairs, and I do this with my edges. I got grown woman hair. I think that's where I'm still using It's Gotta Be Glue, and It's Got to Be Glue is hard. It's very hard. You go ahead and cut a little bit of that, because it just think it'll move better. Okay. Now they be flattening this, but we ain't there yet. We not there yet. We could be there. Are we there? Are we there? Let's flatten it. Now they normally they normally flatten the top. The girls, when I be seeing the girls, they be flattening the top with a hot comb. I don't have a hot comb. I got some hot irons. Take some of this volume out, this wig volume, the synthetic wig volume. Girl, I can't wait to be done with this. You hear me? So I'm gonna take some of this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, cause that's my color. And I'm gonna put it down the middle. I'm telling y'all, I'm so exasperated, cause this is so much. I don't wanna do this no more. I mean, I take my wig off to y'all, because the amount of patience that goes into this, especially for somebody that don't know what they're doing, girl. What lace? Let's tie this thing. And we gonna get this lace to lay. This has been interesting, okay, to say the least. I don't know if I'm going to put another wig on like this. I have no idea, because this was a lot. My armpits was hot, I was sweating, it was lifting, but this is the final product. The lace isn't as like melted as I would like, but again, that's probably user error. But I did what I could do, but it's not bad for my first time. But looking at YouTube and then coming here and then doing my own, baby, y'all didn't tell me the process was like this. So I'm glad that I could at least be a help to any girl that was like thinking of putting on a lace wig and didn't know where to start or wanted to know what not to do. Here you go. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, please. Thanks for tuning in. Check out next time.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.